Oh, that was like a 15-foot gap, bro.
Yo, you should hit that again.
I bet.
Ow!
Yo, you heard that noise too, right?
Yeah.
Ah, shoot.
Ow! Ow! Help me! It hurts! Ah!
Yo, that's weird.
Bike, are you feeling okay? Nah, bro, you cooked me after that last jump. Man, I'm sorry. So, are you gonna hit that ramp again?
Yeah, let's push it back to 20 feet this time.
Wow, you're doing this. Boom! He should have listened to me, bro. What did I tell him?